Hi, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva with your favorite criminal defense attorney here in Los Angeles. Okay, you guys, I get a lot of calls about this from prospective clients, and I've represented a number of clients who have dealt with a situation that's very difficult to talk about. And I just want to mention sexual battery, assault, and rape happens all the time, and they're legitimate cases. But there are cases where innocent people, they take someone home when they're both drunk and sexual relations happen, and that person wakes up and cries and says, I did not want this to happen. What can the person on the other side do? First of all, it's incredibly important. The number one thing is call an attorney, a criminal defense attorney, to help you and guide you through the process. This is always a he said, she said, or a he said, or a she said, she said. We see all of this from every gender. The fact of the matter, the law is very specific. It states that someone who is drunk cannot legally consent. So what that means is you may think that the person completely consented and never said no and really wanted it, but wakes up and absolutely regrets it. Can the other person be charged with rape? And the short answer is yes. The most important thing to do, other than contacting the attorney, is be very careful what you say. A lot of times the police officers will take the person who filed the complaint and have them call the person that they spent the night with and try to elicit an apology and an admission from them. And a lot of clients, they believe they did nothing wrong, but they feel so guilty that they could have hurt someone. They'll actually apologize on the phone call that's being recorded, and those statements can be used against them. Be careful what you say. You can be innocent in these situations because you honestly believe you were doing nothing wrong. Don't admit that you did something wrong just to make that person feel better, because you never know what they're going to do with that information. And again, not to be repetitive, but please call an attorney because we know the ins and outs. I will tell you, I have cleared many clients from rape cases by not only cooperation and DNA tests, but by handling it from the minute the accusations are made and taking care of it proactively. So just be safe out there. And everyone, if you're not sure, don't do it. Wait for both parties to be sober, because trust me, it's a lot better when you're sober anyway. And that way you can be sure what the intent is of both parties. All right, you guys, take care.